Here I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone application. Then you have to go to the contacts, select contact which you want to add photo, then tap here, then tap edit. Then you have to tap on the camera icon to add its photo. Then you have to select if you want to take photo or if you want to select photo from the gallery. Then let's select our photo. Then you have to crop it here like this, and then tap done, and then save, and after that image will be added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.